Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4.2 of class 10th mathematics. Question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. First one, x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. So how I am going to find out the roots of this equation? By middle term splitting method. See, 1 into minus 10. In multiplication what I need? Minus 10. In addition what I need? Minus 3. Such kind of numbers I am going to write here. So 10. 5 into 2, I will get what? 10. I need what? Minus 10 in multiplication. In addition what I need? Minus 3. So that I am keeping here minus 5. Now you add these two numbers, minus 5 plus 2. You will get what? Minus 3 in addition. Multiply these two values, minus 5 into 2, what you will get? Minus 10. So that I am going to write this minus 3x. I am going to write minus 5x plus 2x. So write it here, 1x square minus 3x I am writing, minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 as it is equal to 0. Yes. In these two terms, what is common? X is common. So take it out. X minus 5 is left over. From these two terms, what is common? 2 is common. So take it out. What is left over? X minus 5 equal to 0. Yes. Now what is the common factor? Minus 5. So take it out. X minus 5. So what is left over? X plus 2 is equal to 0. So each factor you have to equate with 0. X minus 5 equal to 0, so that you will get x is equal to 5. Okay. X plus 2 equal to 0, so that I will get x is equal to minus 2 plus 2 goes aside, minus 2. So what are the roots of this equation? X is equal to 5 and minus 2. So write it here. Roots are 5, minus 2. Okay. Go for this equation. 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. I am going to find out the roots of this equation. For that, 2 into minus 6, what you will get? Minus 12. That means in multiplication, you should get what? Minus 12. In addition, what you need? That is middle term, that is what? Only 1. Plus x, that means what? 1. 1x. 1 I have written. Such kind of numbers I am going to write here. So 4 into 3, you will get what? 12. I need what? Minus 12. Here in addition what you need? Plus 1. So that I am keeping here minus 3. Okay. 4 into minus 3, what you will get? Minus 12. Add these two numbers, 4 minus 3, what you will get? Plus 1. So I am going to write it here, 2x square, this middle term plus 1x I have written, plus 4x minus 3x. This plus 1x only I have separated, plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 as it is equal to 0. From these two terms, what is common? 2 and x is common. So take it out. What is left over? X plus 2 is there. Then go for this one. Here I have to take it out, minus 3. So that what you will get? X plus 2. See, minus 3 I have taken from this, minus 6. What will be left over? Plus 2 equal to 0. Now, what is the common factor? X plus 2. So take it out. What is remaining over? 2x. This is what? Minus 3 equal to 0. So each factor I am going to equate with 0, so that I will get x value. X plus 2 equal to 0, so that x is equal to what? Minus 2. Yes. Go for this one. 2x minus 3 equal to 0, so that 2x is equal to minus 3 goes outside plus 3. X is equal to multiplied by 2 goes outside divided by 2, so 3 upon 2. So what are the roots of this equation? X is equal to minus 2 and 3 upon 2. So write it here. Roots are minus 2, 3 by 2. Okay. Third part. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. So in multiplication what I need? Root 2 into 5 root 2. See, look here. 5 root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2, that is simple to multiplied by 5. What you will get? 10. Understand this one? So in multiplication what you need? 10. Okay. In addition what you need? That is middle term. What it is? Plus 7. So I am going to write it here. 5 into 2. So that I will get 10 in multiplication. Add these two numbers, you will get what? 7. So these are the pair of numbers 5 and 2. Okay, write it here. Root 2x squared. So I am going to write it. This plus 7x, 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. In these two terms, what is common number? Simply x is common. So take it out. Here what will be left over? Root 2x plus 5. Yes, the same way here. Common factor I need, that is root 2x plus 5. Here what is there? Simply 2. So I am writing this to root 2 into root 2 so that I will get the common factor root 2 x plus 5. That's why I have written this to root 2 into root 2. So now from these two terms you can take out the common number. Root 2, here also root 2 is there. So we can take it out root 2? Definitely. So what is left over? 1 root 2 is taken out. What is left over? Root 2 and x is left over. Plus here what is left over? Plus 5 equal to 0. Understand? From this equation, you have a common factor, that is root 2x plus 5. I should get the common factor, that's why I have splitted to root 2 into root 2. Understand? So, take it out. What is left over? X plus root 2 equal to 0. Each factor you should equate with 0 so that you will get the x value. So, root 2x is equal to plus 5 goes that side minus 5. Then x is equal to multiplied by root 2 goes that side divided by root 2. So, minus 5 upon root 2. So, equate the next factor, that is x plus root 2 equal to 0, so that x is equal to minus root 2. So, the roots are minus 5 upon root 2 and minus root 2. Write the answer here. Roots are minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. Okay. Fourth part, 2x square minus x plus 1 upon 8 equal to 0. This equation has the denominator 8. So that I have taken the LCM to make the denominators equal in this equation. 2 into 8, that is 16x square, minus 1 into 8 minus 8x plus 1 upon 8 equal to 0. I have taken the LCM here. So common 8 will be there equal to 0. Now divided by 8 goes aside, multiplied by 8. So 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 8 into 0. You will get what? 0 only. So this is your quadratic equation I have formed. So for this equation I am going to find the roots. See, 16 into 1 what? 16. In multiplication what I need? 16. In addition what should I get? That is minus 8. Okay. Like that number you have to write it here. 4 into 4, what you will get? 16. In addition you should get what? Minus 8, so that I am keeping minus in both the numbers. Now minus 4 plus minus 4, you will get what? Minus 8 in addition. In multiplication what you will get? Minus into minus plus 4 into 4, that is 16. So okay, I am going to write it 16x square minus 8x, I have splitted as minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now in these two terms what is common? 4x is common. So take it out. What will be left over? 4x minus 1 will be left over. Come for this one. Here I need what? 4x minus 1. So I am taking minus 1. So you will get 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. What is the common factor here? That is 4x minus 1. So take it out. What will be left over? This is 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So each factor you have to equate with 0. So 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So you will get 4x is equal to plus 1. Then x is equal to 1 upon 4. When you equate this one, the same value only you are going to get. So write it here. Answer. Roots are 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4. Okay. Fifth one, 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. For this equation, I am going to find the roots. 100 into 1, you will get what? 100. In multiplication, you should get what? 100. In addition, what should you get? That is minus 20. So, I am writing 10 into 10. Multiply this 10 into 10, you will get what? 100. Add this one, you will get what? Plus 20. But what I need? Minus 20. So that I am keeping minus in both the numbers. That is minus 10, minus 10. So write this one 100x square. This minus 20x I am writing minus 10x minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. In these two terms, what is common? 10x. So take it out. What will be left over? 10x minus 1. Yes. Here I need what? 10x minus 1, so that I am taking out minus 1. So you will get 10x minus 1 equal to 0. According to this factor, I have to take out the numbers from these two terms. Understand? So 10x minus 1 is common factor. So take it out. What is left over? 10x minus 1 equal to 0. Equate each factor with 0. So 10x is equal to plus 1 and x is equal to 1 upon 10. The same way you are doing this one, the same answer you will get. So I am writing at last answer. Roots are 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10. Thank you.